Good day, Lamidi here. Welcome to this tutorial video. I am going to be doing a quick review of this ad network called Monetizer. And basically Monetizer is a platform where whether you're a publisher or advertiser, you can come here and make good use of it. They have a lot of offers that you can monetize if you're a publisher, and I've really enjoyed working with them. I haven't for a while, but I'm going to get back into running some traffic, whether you have mobile traffic, pop traffic, whatever traffic you have, they have something for you. And one of the reasons I like Monetizer is they have this feature called Smartlink. So basically you can send your traffic to a Smartlink, and the algorithm just monetizes your traffic with their best matched offers. So you don't need to worry about doing a little test upfront. You can just run, you can just create a link and then run some traffic and see what converts. They also tell you about trending offers, as you can see right here. They've got some top offers as well, and they have traffic more or less for more or less every country you can think of. So that's another good thing. Let's see. They also have a partner network called I think they're called Advertiser. So basically Advertiser is, if you have your own offer, you can actually go to Advertiser and run it. Advertiser, you can go to Advertiser and set up an offer there and get other people to run traffic to your offer. So that's another good thing about Advertiser. So let me just take you through some of the features. One of the features I like is this feature called push stats. As you can see, yesterday I was testing and I was able to pick up 60 subscribers. So what normally happens is you run traffic, and Monetizer helps you build up push subscribers, and they just monetize those push subscribers over time until they drop off from wherever they've signed up into. So even though I got 60 subscribers yesterday, I will still earn from those subscribers over time until they drop off the network. So that's passive income if you're looking to, if you've got I normally use remnant traffic. So I send traffic to a main offer, and whatever is left, I can send it to Monetize, and they will monetize that traffic. So you're just earning much more of a buck for your for your money. They also have what's called you need a domain. That's another thing. You need a domain to be able to run traffic. So they have this little video, domain setup instructions that you can just follow, and basically add domains to Monetizer so that you can use. In terms of payments, I think they can send you money via PayPal or Wire, so that's good. I think you need $50 to be able to take out money. So I strongly suggest this network. They have a lot of offers that you can check out. So I'll definitely be running more traffic here. They have mainstream offers, they have adult offers, and they have what they call aggressive offers as well. So whatever traffic you have, I'm sure they have something for you. So that's it for this video. Okay, one more thing before I go. Actually, they've got this insight, so you can actually check out what offers are actually converting. So let's look at this. Is Thailand mainstream. So if you look at Thailand mainstream, you can more or less see which offers have converted the best today. So you can just run traffic to those offers. They also give you the day part in the best time to run traffic to those offers, what mobile resolution screen people are running the best traffic for, language as well. So the Thai language has generated most of the revenue today. In terms of connection, they will tell you if it's cellular or Wi-Fi. On this particular one, on today, cellular has generated the most revenue. They even give you the carriers that you can just target. They give you the devices as well. The browsers, as you can see, Facebook on Android has converted. People on Facebook on Android have converted the most. They give you the operating system, so they give you a lot of information that you can take to wherever traffic source you're running, and just target those. You just target what I've just showed you here. Here, Bangkok. People in Bangkok seem to be converting the most, and then of course it's Thailand. So the insight is a very, very good tool if you're looking to check out what's actually converting before you set up your Smartlink and run your remnant traffic from. So again, this is Monetizer, a great network to work with. I've been with them for a while, and I started testing traffic out again yesterday, so I'll be doing more today. So I will leave a link in the description that you can check them out. It's free to join, and if you've got any questions whatsoever, leave me a message below in the comments box. And once more, if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that I can notify you once I shoot some more videos. I will definitely be doing that, and I'll be showing you how I go about monetizing this network. So with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.